Hey health enthusiasts! Are you ready to unleash the power of ancient wisdom to transform your health? Today, I'm diving into the incredible benefits of Triphala, an Ayurvedic miracle that combines three potent fruits, amla, haritaki, and bibitaki. When taken correctly, Triphala can become your ultimate ally in weight loss and overall health improvement. Let's explore these 14 amazing benefits together. First up, weight loss. Triphala may help reduce body fat, especially around the belly, when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise. Imagine shedding those extra pounds naturally. Next, digestive health. Triphala works wonders on your digestion by removing toxins and waste from your body, ensuring a healthy gastrointestinal tract. Say goodbye to bloating and discomfort. Third, antioxidant properties. Packed with powerful antioxidants, Triphala helps protect your cells from damage and reduces inflammation. Your body will thank you for this protection. Fourth, anti-inflammatory effects. The anti-inflammatory properties of Triphala may help defend against chronic diseases. A healthier, happier you is just around the corner. On to dental health. Triphala's antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties can prevent plaque and reduce gum inflammation. Flash that smile with confidence. Sixth, metabolism boost. Boosting your metabolism means better calorie burning. Triphala might just be the spark your metabolism needs. Seventh, cholesterol management. Lowering cholesterol levels contributes to a healthier heart. Triphala could be your heart's best friend. Eighth, blood sugar control. Managing blood sugar levels is crucial, especially for those with type 2 diabetes. Triphala may improve insulin sensitivity, keeping your blood sugar in check. Ninth, anti-cancer properties. Some studies suggest Triphala might have anti-cancer effects. More research is needed, but it's an exciting possibility. 10th, immune system support. Strengthen your immune defenses with Triphala's immunomodulatory activity. Stay resilient against infections. 11th, skin health. With its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, Triphala can improve skin health and reduce signs of aging. Glow from the inside out. 12th, hair and eye health. Anecdotal evidence suggests Triphala enhances hair vitality and improves vision. Your hair and eyes might shine brighter than ever. 13th, detoxification. Promoting regular bowel movements and removing toxins, Triphala helps detoxify your body. Feel rejuvenated and refreshed. Finally, anti-aging. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, Triphala may slow down the aging process. Embrace a youthful, vibrant life. Remember to take Triphala correctly, consult a healthcare provider or an Ayurvedic practitioner. The typical dosage is 500 milligrams to 1 g per day, taken on an empty stomach between meals. So, are you ready to harness the power of Triphala and embark on your journey to better health and weight loss? Let's embrace this ancient wisdom for a healthier, happier you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and inspiration. Until next time, stay healthy and stay inspired.